it's NEESYRAYCHELLE and I am back at you finally with another video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. Listen, I just got my package from the Crayon case. I'm so freaking excited. I already opened it, but so it's not like my first reaction of it, but listen, I wanted to share with y'all how much I love this palette already, and I haven't even swatched it. I want to do that for y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Okay, I'm gonna get this good old box open for you so you can see all the good stuff about the Crayon case. Okay, so first things first, this is the package that it came in. It says that it is fragile, so United States Postal Service needed to be very careful with my package, and I am happy to say that they did a great job. So now, this is what the box looks like. It's taped here. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. And the first thing you see when you open the box is the logo. And it says the Crayon case, gives you the website. They have their trademark on it and everything. Perfect, right? So, of course, the palette, I know y'all see it, but that's not what was first in here. So first in here, you get your little cards. You have a thank you card, and then it has soup on the back of it, and it's a really cute card. And also it has all of their social media on there, so you can follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at the name the Crayon case. So that's good for you. And the card says the Crayon case, it's finally okay to color outside the lines. And then it has some of their products on it and tells you to subscribe or whatever. The next thing you get is I guess it's like a referral. So like if something's wrong with your order, you can definitely send it back. And so it says the Crayon case, report to the office, and all this is on here. So you write your name, reason for return, how much of it was, and it already has this little address on it, and basically you just send it back off. So the next thing I got out of my box, we're not to the palette yet. That's not what was next. It's just how we got, you know. I got excited. So the next thing that came in my box, because I ordered the palette and I ordered pencils. So these are not real pencil, guys, but they're brushes, and they're called the pencil brushes, and they're made with real wood, and they're number 2 brushes, you know, like the number 2 pencil. So these are eyeshadow brushes. You get 7 brushes in this, and they literally look like pencils, like literally just pencils. And what I like so far about these brushes is how dense they are. I'm gonna take them out the package. These brushes are so freaking dense. So you have your fluffy brush, you have a crease brush, like all the brushes that you would need to do your eyeshadows are right here. And I cannot wait to show y'all a look with these brushes. Like, I'm just so freaking excited. The next thing, and we are there. This is my favorite part of my Crayon case palette. Look at it. Isn't she lovely? What I really liked about how this was packaged is not only was it wrapped in bubble wrap like on the outside of this, but when you open it, there's another protective layer of bubble wrap. Like, come on guys, they really want this to get to you safe, and it's like, it makes me really happy because I just knew when I opened this that my my eyeshadows weren't going to be broken. So let's open it. And boom, these are the colors. Oh my gosh, they're so vibrant. And not only are they vibrant, but look how big those pots are. Like, let me bring you closer. You see this? When do you ever get this much eyeshadow in a palette? Okay, so like I said, these colors are like amazing. And I'm gonna swatch them for you on my arm. So let's see. So the first color I'm gonna swatch is called Blue. And it's like a dark blue, and it has like glitter in it, like specks of glitter. So let's see. That's what it looks like on my finger. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this color is, wow. It really picks up. Like, really picks up. I do notice just a little bit of like fallout from me rubbing my finger in it, but that's not something we can get around that. That's okay. That's not something to be worried about, in my opinion. For other people, it could be a problem, but I always do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation and stuff, so fallout can disappear. Next is brown. This looks like my my lipstick Limbo. I'm sorry, I'm like wrapping around my arm instead of going straight. I'm gonna try to get it back right, but that was brown, and it's like a it looks like my Limbo from ColourPop. So that might be a good little duo. Next is gold, and I feel like this is gonna be my favorite. I love doing golds. Oh, listen. Oh my gosh. What? Hold on, y'all. I done rotated my arm the wrong way. Can y'all see that? What? This color. Y'all finna get a video real soon, okay? Like, a video is coming, be prepared. I'm showing y'all these colors in some kind of look. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use. It's probably gonna be this orange and the magenta. I don't even know. Oh, so much to choose from. This color is called Deep Plum. And it's a pretty color for a smoky eye. Y'all, I'ma cry, it's so pretty. Why am I so extra? Look. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the last color, the color I've been anticipating so deeply, and I really hope it doesn't disappoint me because I'm so into this palette. Like, I'm beyond excited, and I don't even know if y'all truly and honestly feel where I'm coming from. Like, I feel like y'all probably thinking, this chick crazy, she extra, call me what you want, but this palette is everything, and I don't even know what to say. Okay, y'all, lime green. Now, this is the one I've been seeing, and I'm like, yeah, I'm getting this palette because it got a color in here that I could definitely work with. Okay, it's kind of chalky, but you know, we could probably make something shake with this. I keep putting it on the wrong side of my arm, child. Hold on, let me do this. Let me do this. Boom. Yes, definitely a chalky lime green, but with the right primer and the right concealer and like everything that you need to make it work, we can make it work. Like, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. But yeah, y'all, that was my little review, my unboxing, whatever you want to call it, on life. This is what it's life in a box of crayons. You see this? And go get your crayon case palette. Like, don't even wait. I think right now they're still doing a bundle deal where you can get all 3 of their palettes, the crayon case. I think the other one's called the ruler. It's like, it looks like a ruler. And then I don't remember the third one, but you get all 3 of those palettes for $60, I believe, right now. So if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Still go buy the palette. I mean, 30 bucks, come on. For all pigment, $30, you can do it. You can definitely go and do that. But thank y'all for watching my video. I love y'all so much for sticking with me and dealing with my craziness and my extraness. I really appreciate it, and I hope that you all continue to watch me. And if there's anything y'all want me to review or y'all want me to talk about, you can leave it in the comment section. You can send me a PM, like whatever. And like, don't forget to follow my social media pages. Like, I have a lot going on, and if you're nearby, I would love if y'all came and supported me in the different things that I do. I might actually make a video about that, about all the different things that I'm involved with and all the different things that I do on a daily basis, because YouTube is not the only thing I do, and I keep a very busy schedule, and I honestly don't know how I do it. Like, I don't know how I keep up with everything that's going on in my life. But for y'all, because I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, I keep pushing. Took a week off for my birthday, but I'm back like I never left. Okay, so follow all my social media pages. They're gonna be listed in the description box down below. I'm NEESYRAYCHELLE on Instagram. I am Donisha Weatherspoon on Facebook. You can follow my modeling page. It's Donisha Weatherspoon's Modeling on Facebook. My Twitter is I am Donisha Chic. Like, just follow me, and you know, you'll see all the things that I'm doing and all the things I'm involved in, and it'll keep you hip with my everyday life. Like, I promise you won't be disappointed. I'm not a boring person. Very, very interesting. I promise. I promise. Love y'all. Thank you for watching, and deuces.